Good morning. Today we will be putting up blocking in between these rafters with 2x4s to help close off the chicken run. Once we have that up and painted, we're going to be able to screw on the metal roof, and then we'll do the wire on the inside of the run, and then the run will be done. All right, so we got our blocking up between the rafters here, and now we're gonna put these battens up across so that we can screw in the metal roof. And I got it marked out. There's gonna be 5 of them, so you just space them evenly. It's about 20 inches apart, which is plenty of support for the metal roofing. So this is our metal roof. It's 3 feet by 8 feet, which means we needed 3 of them to cover the run here. It is kind of sharp, so you wear gloves. It's easy to get a cut. Checking the overhang. Want about 6 inches back. That looks good right there. Make sure it's even before you start screwing it down. Yeah, it looks good. I think we're ready to screw it in. So in the metal roofing, you want to get these sharp point roofing screws because they got a little rubber washer, so it won't leak from the top as you screw it. So this is the 1/2 inch hardware cloth, right? That's what it's called. It's metal, vinyl coated. Hopefully pretty durable. Should be strong enough to keep any of the critters we have around here. Foxes, raccoons. It's about it. No coyotes we have here.
Did you ever see a possum?
Yeah, I've seen a possum. Would they get a chicken? I don't know either. Who knows?
Cats?
Dogs? Yeah. And dogs? They'll keep the cats and dogs out, I think. So the black one we like for the look of it. It's like just like a screen, like a black screen or a black mesh like this is a little more see-through, I think. You don't notice it as much. And it's got that coating on it, so hopefully that helps it stay rust-free longer. Ordered it online from Home Depot because they didn't have it in store, and it's also cheaper to get it shipped to you. So here it is. I think it's a 100-foot roll, right? 50-foot roll. We're gonna start on this side, do the bottom, probably go to where the door is, putting a ton of staples in it just to help it stay secure, and then we'll do the top. You know how hard it is to hit that many in a row of nothing?
Oh, you did it.
I did.
Well, we are on day number 2 of doing this hardware cloth down here. We were trying to finish it last night. We took a break. Max took the girls to the pool, and then we remembered that the oldest one had soccer, so the time kind of got away from us and it was like a little bit too dark, so we kind of stopped filming. But we were able to get the wire from here all the way to the end over there, and then same thing from the end here all the way to this pole. So we want to get the wiring for the door, and we want to give the chickens their first opportunities to be in the run today. We had them actually out in the garden area of that bed that we didn't complete, and it was all good until my daughter went outside and realized that they all got loose out in the yard. Thankfully there was no hawk or any predators to get them, but they had a blast. So I really want to get this done, and then we're going to bring the chickens back in, and maybe I'll show you guys how they look currently because they've grown so much. All right, let's jump into it.
All right, so we got our piece cut out. Now we're gonna staple it in. You wanna grab the stapler from in there? Staple away. Edit.
Oh, missed that one.
Nice, beautiful.
So this is the third day. We finished everything yesterday actually, but we were supposed to get a lot of rain, like flooded was forecasted. That didn't happen, thank goodness. But now we are going to be bringing in the chicks and reintroducing them. They are in their preteen stage now, so they look a lot different. Come on, come on girls. So hold on. All right, so come here, and then you'll show them, and then you'll give the names,
okay,
so that they can see how different they look.
Okay. Hi everyone, this is Bumblebee.
Hold on.
What type is he?
She is a golden lace Wyandotte.
Yep, she is the calmest and the runt of the family.
Okay, Maya.
This is Rapunzel.
She's a Delaware chick.
She's a Delaware chick.
Look how big she is. Put her in the camera a bit. Wait, don't kick the camera. All right, put her down. Addie's turn. I believe this is Blue Ivy.
Yes.
And she is a cream leg bar. She's supposed to lay blue eggs, so that's why we call her Blue Ivy. And then she also kind of resembles Beyonce, which is the Green Queen. She's ready to like peck somebody.
This is
Tigress.
Tigress, and
she is a Easter egger.
Yep.
Show her back feathers, like in the back.
And she is the feistiest of all of them.
Yep.
So I can't hold her very long. Bye, Tigress.
This is Penguina. She is a silver lace Wyandotte. She beautiful. Show her little penguin feet. Nice yellow.
This is Jasmine.
Jasmine. What's Jasmine again? I'll insert what type she is.
Green Queen. As you can see, she is, when you hear her chirp, she has the most beautiful voice. That's why we call her Beyonce. This is Raven.
And she is a black copper Moran. And she's supposed to lay dark brown eggs.
It's so much easier for me to pick you up now. I don't have to worry about you. That's it of them. You're too big.
Maya, then get out, please.
Oh yeah. That's it. Chicken and gold to buy.
We'll put it over there.
It's so ew.
Sicky! All right.
Work.
Yeah, I see it. Very tiny home. Oh gosh, I lost it. I'm kidding.
Good. Oh.
What?
Leah! Oh, yay! You saved us. We locked ourselves in. You lift up that. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Why you locked yourself in?
Yes, we did. Ziggy, no.
What he wants. You give mommy a card?
Oh. Go hard.
Was it fun?
Yay! I'm gonna take enough to make like a double string. I'm gonna push it back through to you. Is that okay? So that this part is doubled the thickness.
Might be hard.
Go. 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 Yay! All right.
Trim that excess.
Okay. So the project for the run area is completely finished. There's like little things that we have to do still, as far as like the door. There's like a slight opening there that we're going to, well, he's gonna cut a metal sheet that we use for the roof. I'm gonna cut a small portion of that to add to the area of the door that closes so that it's a tighter closing. I'll show you guys a video of that maybe in the final tour. Then we still have to add the rainwater system. We're going to be using a rain barrel so that they have just unlimited access to water. And then we're going to add the 5-gallon bucket with their feeding situation so that we have like more time to, you know, go away if we need to, and we won't have to really worry about them. But that is going to be it as far as this portion of this video. The next one, we're going to go into building the actual chicken coop area. Yeah, so if you're interested in that, make sure that you are subscribed. Leave any questions or comments down in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.